Have you ever wondered how a slice of bread turns into the energy that lets you run, think, and even breathe? The secret lies in one of the most incredible teams in your body, enzymes. These microscopic biological machines break food down into tiny nutrients that fuel every cell. You might think digesting a meal is simple, but without enzymes, that meal would literally rot inside you for weeks. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how carbohydrates, proteases, and lipases work, you'll see how they power your brain, muscles, and even protect you from disease. In this video, you'll solve some fascinating mysteries, like how enzymes unlock food molecules with the lock and key model. Why without enzymes, food would literally rot inside your body. How your intestine absorbs nutrients into your blood. And what happens when enzymes fail, like in lactose intolerance. What are enzymes? Enzymes are proteins that act as biological catalysts. That means they speed up chemical reactions in your body, without being used up themselves. Imagine building a Lego castle without instructions, it would take forever. Enzymes are like the instruction manual, making reactions quick and accurate. Each enzyme has a unique active site, a shape that fits only one molecule, called the substrate. This is the lock and key model, only the right key fits the lock. Without enzymes, digesting a sandwich could take weeks, food would literally rot inside your body before becoming useful. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are your body's main energy supply. Bread, pasta, rice, and potatoes are packed with starch, a big, complex molecule. Carbohydrates like amylase, found in your saliva and pancreas, are the energy workers of digestion. As soon as you chew, amylase slices starch into simple sugars like glucose. Try chewing a cracker for a full minute, it suddenly tastes sweet. That's amylase in action. Think of your digestive system as a factory line. Carbohydrates are the first workers, handing glucose along to your bloodstream to power muscles, memory, and even your mobile phone scrolling habit. Proteases. Proteins are the building blocks of life. They're in foods like chicken, beans, and fish. But proteins are long chains of amino acids, too big to absorb. Proteases are the repair crew. They cut proteins into amino acids, which your body then rebuilds into new proteins, like hormones, enzymes, or keratin in your hair. Proteases work mainly in the stomach and small intestine. Stomach acid not only creates the perfect environment but also kills harmful microbes. Without proteases, your growth would stop, and your immune system, made of protein antibodies, wouldn't defend you. Lipases and bile. Fats and oils, or lipids, are the body's storage and protection team. They insulate you, store energy, and protect organs. But lipids don't mix well with water. That's where bile steps in. Made in the liver and stored in the gallbladder, bile acts like washing up liquid, emulsifying big fat droplets into smaller ones. This gives lipase enzymes access to break them into fatty acids and glycerol. Lipids also carry fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, are vital for eyesight, strong bones, and healthy blood. For teenagers especially, fats aren't just fuel, they're essential for growth. Absorption in the small intestine. Breaking food down is only half the story. The real magic happens in the small intestine, where nutrients are absorbed. Its lining is covered in villi and microvilli, finger-like folds that create a surface area the size of a tennis court. Like turning a flat sheet into a fluffy towel, this design speeds up absorption. Glucose fuels your cells instantly, amino acids rebuild tissues, fatty acids protect your organs. Without absorption, even the healthiest diet would pass through unused. Enzymes in action and denaturation. Enzymes are powerful, but fragile. Heat or the wrong pH changes their shape, a process called denaturation. When the active site changes, the substrate no longer fits, like a melted key in a lock. That's why your body maintains 37 degrees Celsius and carefully regulates stomach acid. If enzymes denature, digestion can slow, or even stop. Cooking food shows this principle. Heating an egg denatures proteins, turning clear liquid into solid white. Imagine that happening to your digestive enzymes. It would shut down vital reactions. Real-world case study: lactose intolerance. Milk contains lactose, a sugar normally broken down by lactase. But some people don't produce enough of this enzyme. Without lactase, lactose travels to the large intestine, where bacteria feast on it, producing gas and discomfort. That's why lactose-free milk is pre-treated with lactase before it reaches you. So, if you know someone who drinks lactose-free milk, you now know the enzyme behind it. Let's recap. Enzymes are catalysts explained by the lock and key model. Carbohydrases release glucose for energy. Proteases supply amino acids for growth, repair, and immunity. Lipases, with bile, digest fats for storage and vitamins. The small intestine absorbs it all through villi. Enzymes are fragile. Heat or pH can denature them. And real-life cases like lactose intolerance show their importance. Enzymes may be invisible, but they're the unsung heroes turning every meal into life itself. From a single molecule to an entire body's energy, it's a symphony of science working inside you. Next time you eat, think of the tiny workers keeping you alive. If you want to see how other systems in your body connect, check out our channel for more content. And hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.